Alright, this is the micro modder. I haven't done a video in a long time, but actually got the 1/16 scale Summit VXL yesterday from Traxxas. It's very fun. I had a Traxxas Slash, and it was also a fun vehicle. Can't really compare. Well, I mean, it just depends what you want, but when I was looking online, I was debating whether to get the Summit or the e-Revo, and after looking through the forums, spending hours upon hours of my winter break looking, I decided to get the Summit, as you can tell. And you know, people, they said they would try to tell you that the e-Revo is tougher or whatever. Well, I mean, honestly, they're the same chassis, so it's whatever you want. If you plan on bashing, the Summit's definitely better because the ground clearance, I mean, that's pretty good. As far as durability, people talking about the drive shaft snapping, which, see right there, they look, sorry for the quality. I mean, they're pretty thick, heavy duty, and Traxxas says they're super duty dual CV telescoping drive shafts. They're supposed to be stronger than the e-Revo, which people say they're horrible, they're twice as much, and you have to replace them. But in all honesty, I've probably ran 12 to 15 packs through it, and I've had nothing break yet, and I bashed it pretty hard. Can't really tell too much. Yeah, it's too hard to see. As far as the charger that comes with it, it takes 6 hours to charge a 1200 milliamp battery, and your runtime is probably 8 to 15 minutes depending on how you drive it. And I wasn't okay with that, so I purchased a Traxxas Easy Peak 2 amp charger. As you can see, it says charges the Series 1 battery packs for your Traxxas 1/16 model in 35 minutes. It's definitely worth it. You can see it. Right there, you can charge. I really hate this camera. You can charge 1 or 2 amps. It has a peak charge. I'm pretty sure once it gets to full voltage, it trickle charges. So that's definitely a nice feature, and there's only $29.99. Now, as far as the batteries go, the runtime, actually with this, what I did, I put electrical tape on everything, just to be safe, because you're never sure with the batteries. See the battery tray. Traxxas power cell. Hold on, let me try something. Traxxas, man, sorry about this. Oh well, Traxxas power cell. It's 1200 milliamp battery. I picked the second one up for like $15. Oh, these are a pain in the butt. All right. Speed. It's fast. I run it in parallel for the longer run time, and I usually average about half an hour. It definitely hits 25. It feels like it's, I don't know, on the 1/10 Traxxas scale, Traxxas Slash, going 30, it didn't seem too fast, but 25 in this, I thought it'd be slower. Definitely feels faster than my Slash did, so that's a plus. And I also have a series connector in there, and I was trying to show it off. I was talking how I can do a standing backflip, and without changing the pinion, it cannot do a standing backflip. It actually flipped itself over. So but I've heard of people frying their ESC from the voltage, so I recommend staying away from that. As far as suspension goes, it's got a nice flex. The rear, shoot. Every time it drops, there it is stock, and then it doesn't, mine's still fairly new, but I heard of people saying it doesn't return all the way up, it'll start drooping, especially when you have full throttle. So I ordered purple GTR shocks from my hobby shop, and some 80 weight shock oil, so that should definitely help. I heard that helped a lot of people. Also, people talk, as far as steering goes, people talk about the stock steering servo and it being a piece of junk. Well, I actually disagree. It gets the job done. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't know if I just got a lucky one, but alright, well, if you guys have any questions, sorry for the quality. Thanks, have a good holiday.